you understand our lesson in this course. And the previous lessons were about the insert tab, and we complete this area illustrations with the extra format shapeform. So today we will make a certificate and how we can make a certificate, how we can insert our own logo on the certificate in this one, how we can make it. First of all, you should choose your paper, how you want to be loaded. So a layout, you can choose that one. And this area orientation. So in orientation, you can choose here portrait or landscape. So if you want to take portrait like this one right now, it's by default it's portrait. You can make your own certificate. So we want to make a certificate like landscape. Use a landscape and it will be changed here to landscape. After that, we can select here also about the size, how you can do size you want to do. So A4 or here we have different size, A5 or 8B and type of paper. You can choose here. So first of all, we need for a certificate a logo or you should here take a background first. And page color we can take here this page color to this one or the white is gray and size and color you can choose for your page. Page color in here and choose it. So this one is okay, it's good. So after that we can add here about the title of the certificate we want to take it. So only we have here text box and choose here. Yes. Then select here this area, draw and text box. How to choose this one? Again, here we can choose this one. Then type your title. So it's one victim one certificate. It's certificate. Only have the so after that we can select all control A. Then take it size. For this size is okay. Take it center. Change this color also if you want to take it I want like this color. It's good. Or this one you can choose here. Which color do you want to for what color? So then you can take here something also. So maybe this one or outline or if this one is okay. If you want you can choose here. I try to this one. So maybe it's good. Then in shape format you can click before this one. No fill also here click shape format. No. Then in insert tab here contact if you see something more about the gradient. It should be like this one. Then this one go to no go. Choose it, then you can change here also the format of this one. Which format you want to put for your certificate. This one and this one. Let's put this one here. Then you can change here also one other. You should add here about the some other title like of achievement or something else you can add. So first this one is okay. Then I want to add here one other text box. Choose it, draw and text box. Then here off. Now like this one you can add here. Then choose it and now outline both. Then center the take it center and then change that color of your text. Take it size. This size is okay, and this one also you can choose something. So right now it's okay. It's beautiful. I like it. So then also you can add here title for yourself. If you want to, you can change it to like green. So this one. Once choose it, this is okay. Then Control C, Control V for this next box. And after that, you should add here new title like this certificate is proudly presented to then the name of the person and this certificate is proudly presented to who? You can choose here. Then take the size. This is okay. And after that, click center and we'll check we have populate. Also, okay right now, and if you want, you can change it a little more. So right now it's okay, and after that, you can put a Control C, Control V, one more time, and right here the name of that person, like no. Here and change this box. This all of these blocks are it should be like this one. It's so good. It's great. Or this one you can choose it here. This one is okay, I think. It is your own design for yourself. Don't take a center and after that you can take one another thing if you want to change it, you want to add here one line and shape after that this one. If it up is okay and change the color of this one like maybe white or no this color is okay and also take it white here. So this all it's okay. One after that you can take here also for yourself some text. You should add some text or more text for that person from which university he graduated. So then you can add here some text. So you also we just add here some default paragraph like five. It's okay. Right? Choose all lines, take it frame and center and size it to be two size it. And then the shape format after that you take here new outline and this one should be new outline. After that you can take your also for this one some new colors. If you want this color, it's okay. It's very good. Or if you want the same colors for your text, you can choose all of them. Then take a center like this. It's okay. Like we have this certificate and it's complete, not more complete, so we will complete it. Then one another thing we need here about the data and center. For this one, we can choose here only. You need first here and line. First line should be here. It should be like this. Control C, Control V. Choose it. Move with arrow key in your keyboard, or choose it then like this. You can move. If you want here, same you active the grading. Also, it's same. Right? Then take it grid lines off on template. After that, you add to text to this one and Control C, Control V. Then only here add with data data. For example, Control C, Control V. You can take here for data with data like maybe take here like maybe 5 0 724. Like this one you can take here for data for your certificate. Then you choose this one and also the Control C, Control V. After that with arrow key you can move it off and choose it this area is okay. Then right here about this subject mapping it should be. Only the title here take the title. Title is IGN ATURE subject. Subject. Then choose this one also this one. The color of this should be like the same. Now we also choose this one. Text color should be blue. So anyway, you can choose here another color. So just take more practice for this one. Also, if you want, you can change here these two. Choose this box and choose it to this one. Now this one you can take same program, same color for this one. It should be all like this color. Then you can take here gradient for this one, this gradient. Also here a flow gradient. You should choose one of them. It is good. Right now it's not pretty. Syntax visit after that we should add here for our certificate one other thing about the shapes. Which shapes we should add here, it will be pretty. So you can choose your own shapes, or if you want, also you should add here some pictures, give your voice like a logo if you want to make your own logo. So right now, I will check here. I have a logo on. If I have already added it. So maybe you can take this one or something else. If this one not allow you to see your there is one stand and fix position and take blocks of only choose it, then you get it. Control J, very good. Our logo is ready here. Very good. So then you can add here all logo if you want. So right now I don't want no logo. So just then you can take here some shapes, more shapes. It will be very good. Also, only the shapes can make beautiful our certificate. For this, you should have choose very good shapes for our certificate. Like this one, if you want, or this one, you can add it. First, if you want this shape, it will be very good. Or like here, you can take if you want no color, and the color will be like this one. And the way it will be good. It's very good. So like this, you can change it for us very good. Therefore, you can do we take it and going it here and make it very good. After that, you can choose here. It should be like the color of this one. It should be this color or something else. You can choose here more colors if you want to take more colors. Or maybe this color is not good. You can choose your own color. So also shape outline will be more. It's good. It's very good. So also you can take again control Z shape outline will be good. So after that you can take here also shape effects shadow or this one how it will be. This one is okay. After that control Z you can add here also to this one and to this. Right now we have this we have our certificate. If you want to take this one a little bit, so you can choose here different certificate you can make easily. Then once more time I want to choose this shape here it should be this shape. And you can move here this figure. You also choose this one here. Right now it's more we have more effect, more space for our shape. Take it here shape format and then for this one no outline. What the color like this one like this will be light green. Which color do you want to know? It's like very good for that. Then once more time to this one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Choose it here and put it in this area. Put it lower side. Only about this outline. Shape fill, okay, will be. And here I will choose the width. Also this one will be like this. It's very good. Then you can choose here also third shape for our certificate if you want. Choose only this area on this shape. It's not good. So only in Z shape. Choose this one. This shape. It's very good. Then choose here about this one. No, one for this one. Choose this one. Why you use it after that? You can click here on the effects and design. Take it here. In page color, so it no page color. You can take here or white page color. Right now it's pretty good. Then on this one you can change also. No outline only choose it and for this one like this color. After that you can take here also shape flow in this one or here right click More you can take care more format check. You can take care more format check and outbound now so you can see each other or one. So only a nice you can take it down with it. This one you can choose. You can do like that. That's how it is. Then control C, control V, choose it and draw the view. And this area and make it open. It will be good. After that, you take it and send to branch. Send to that. This was the most useful and then here. Okay. Right now we have the certificate and it's created. Easily we can make it a certificate. Okay. So it's the company certificate we make so for I will show the picture of our or the picture of this one. The company certificate for the exam and the great time for everyone.